The best triceps in the history of bodybuilding. Who has it? We have a lot of contenders. Some of them are known, some others less known. Like this guy right here. His name is Ahmed. Quite small guy, but very respectable set of horseshoes if you ask me. Or this other dude. His name is Mahmoud from Turkey. Nice back, but certainly nice tricep as well. But let's go back to known people like this guy right here. Mr. Olympia, Samir Bannout. Tremendously well developed horseshoe, diced to the socks. He was definitely the lion of Lebanon. Came from nowhere. Take Mr. Olympia 1983. He was known for his back, but certainly for his tricep as well. You can see him here next to the Hulk, Mr. Lou Ferrigno. He was as big as him, to say the least. He loved this pose right here though, the crucifix. But that was another dude 10 years later who had the same pose, Mr. Francis Benfato from France. He loved emulating Samir Bannout. Like this picture right here, jeans and leather jacket. 10 years later, you can see the same picture, but this time around with Francis Benfato. He also had this tremendously developed tricep, if you ask me. Very small guy, 170 pounds, but aesthetically, he was representing on a daily. Look at that, very aesthetic physique. Let's move on to the 90s. Mr. Vince Taylor. He was sick as well. Mr. Kevin the Cat Levroni, 1992. But even when he was in his biggest version, he was still having a sick tricep, if you ask me. Mr. Jurassic Paul Dillette. The late, may he rest in peace, Paul DiMeo. He was nicknamed Quadzilla. If you ask me, he was Trapzilla as well. Triceps all day and daily. He was just crazy. That outer head was out of control. Let's move on. Mr. Lee Priest from Down Under. This dude was crazy muscular. A giant killer in his own right. He was so muscular in his triceps, he made Mr. Tom Platz go, what the hell is that? That's a triceps, bro. But this dude was crazy everywhere. Look at that forearm. You gotta go back to him, trust me. Let's move on. Mr. Phil Heath, Mr. O. This dude, does he even tan? I don't know. But let's move on. Look at that tricep sweep. Specifically the outer head, if you ask me. Tremendously well developed. I put him in the same level as Kai Green. Totally different kind of triceps. One is high, one is low, one is meaty, one is shredded. But, you know, both are very good if you ask me in their own respect. I respect them both. But the crown has to go to this guy right here. Even when he's doing some lateral raises, guys, you cannot take your eyes from his triceps. Matter of fact, even when he does a lat spread from the back, you will look at his triceps. Forget about it. Even when he's wearing clothes, your eyes will go to where? Triceps all day and daily. I give you Mr. Rolly Winkler. Probably the best set of tricep horseshoes that ever walked on this planet, if you ask me. This dude is just crazy. Some say it's overgrown, but then again, we've never seen such crazy muscular development in that body part. In my opinion, he's the best. Even when he's chilling, his triceps are outstanding. Even when he's doing some curls, for God's sake, you can see the triceps coming out. Tell me what you think about it, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice one.